harp.
Is he acceptable?
What?
Yes, what is that? Stop.
What are you saying?
Get back
I don't know what
to
you're talking about.
It's Is that water boiling? No. What's water boiling?
What?
What?
Taylor, you lost my lander. Is that still going? Oh.
Holy shit, this is a raging boil. Now it has to put a can on that. What? Oh my god.
Yo, Taylor, you're fucking chowing down on that fucking bowl of cereal.
Don't look at me when I'm laughing. You look like Asian.
What?
No, when I'm like stupid.
Fucking lids like this fucking pot.
You like disappeared.
No, we're making macaroni and cheese. I forgot.
Exactly.
Oh shit! I gotta make room for that. Mad fucking sugar. At the bottom of that bowl when you're done, it can just be
Oh my god,
sugar
can you
dripping.
scoop it?
Yes, scoop it out and show it to the fucking camera.
What the f?
Oh my god!
I'm so glad you're on video right now. You're the best friend ever.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
What if I did start a fucking fire?
Start the fire.
What song is that?
Start the fire.
I know.
No, it's fake.
He bit into that.
I see
bites. No, the one he bit, that chunk was not when I threw it out though.
That would have looked sweet in there though, like a chunk of an apple.
Yeah, it adds some like touch. You guys are all like, yo, that's fucking sugar, dude. Fucking sugar. This is salmon. Holy shit! Look at the pot.
Seaman.
Look at the fucking fire. Holy fuck, I need to turn this shit down. Chill.
What are you doing, man? Look at Harry Potter shit. It's like Harry Potter shit.
I'm gonna show this
Does
video
not
to my
surround
mother
you.
later. She's gonna be like, this is the shit that goes on in my house. Guarantee it.
And my stomach's starting to turn.
Chill out with that. It's all sugar.
There's still fucking 5 minutes left on this camera. I hope people watch this fucking video. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
You're gonna fucking throw up.
What did you eat so far? There's a little bit of chicken. Chinese food. A little bit of Chinese food. A fudge bar. 3 bites of an apple.
2 fudge bars.
No, I put the one back. No, I didn't see you. I swear to God, I didn't tell you what I ate. I put the one fudge bar back. Got a fucking bowl of cereal. And now I'm fucking waiting for my macaroni and cheese, okay?
An apple.
Apple. My apple.
This shouldn't eat this apple like at all though.
No, mad sugar. It's giving me a stomachache.